Reading 20 papers doesn't mean you understand them. Most people are stuck in active procrastination, spending hours highlighting text but connecting nothing. You open PDFs, watch videos, read articles, you feel productive. But when it's time to explain the topic, it doesn't click. Because the problem isn't access to information, it's making sense of it. And generic AI chat tools are powerful. But when you're studying complex topics, you need answers tied to real sources. But what if your AI only used your materials and actually helped you think through them?
That is a fantastic question.
This is NotebookLM. And this isn't just a note-taking tool. It's a thinking system for your own sources. Let's log in. Because NotebookLM is built by Google, getting started is basically instant. Now, let's start by setting up a simple source vault. And this is bigger than just PDFs. You can upload videos, Google Docs, websites, research papers, even YouTube links. I'm uploading learning materials on red flags and child developmental delays. We've got checklists, milestone guides, assessment tools, and a lecture video. And NotebookLM organizes all of them into one workspace. I'm also adding website articles and a YouTube video. You can upload up to 50 different sources into a single notebook. That means your entire research project, course, or thesis can live in one place. And once your materials are connected, this is where the real workflow begins. Let's ask something like, across these sources, what are the common developmental red flags? Look at that. It's pulling answers directly from the materials with citations, and if you click them, it takes you exactly where that idea came from. No guessing. No, trust me, bro, AI. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's go deeper. Explain these red flags like I'm 10 years old. Now, complex ideas become something clear and usable. And what about conflicting perspectives? How do developmental checklists differ from formal assessments? Now we're seeing something important. Some sources give general milestones, while others use structured evaluation tools. You're not just reading anymore, you're understanding how the system works. And this is where most people use AI the wrong way. They ask basic questions instead of strategic ones. Try asking things like, what ideas appear repeatedly across all sources? Which source explains this concept most clearly? Are there contradictions between the tools? What topics need deeper research? And suddenly, you're not using AI like a chatbot anymore. You're using it like a research partner. And here's the game changer. Generate an audio overview. And it turns everything into a structured discussion, like a podcast. And this isn't just one generic podcast. You can actually choose different discussion styles. Deep dive, short briefings, critique, or even a debate. You can also choose the language and control how long the discussion runs. Let's hit generate and listen to what NotebookLM came up with.
Imagine sitting in a pediatrician's office, right? You're staring at this single sheet of paper.
Oh yeah, the checklist.
Exactly. Your kid is, say, 15 months old. And the doctor points to this one little box on the checklist that just remains unchecked.
And panic sets in immediately.
Right. Just like that.
Crazy, right? And it's not just pulling random internet information. It's discussing your uploaded materials. So instead of rereading everything, you can listen and reinforce your understanding anywhere, while you're commuting or at the gym. It helps you hear the connections you might have missed visually. But for deep research, you need to be part of the conversation, and this is what makes NotebookLM different. You can actually join the AI-hosted discussion. And listen to this.
From an actual clinical delay are drawn using population statistics.
Whoa, did someone just break the fourth wall? Let's hear it.
What's the difference between developmental variation and a developmental red flag?
That is a fantastic question and really hits the heart of the matter.
Yeah, it is the big question every parent asks.
Basically, variation means kids reach milestones at their own pace within a range.
Like some babies walk at 10 months and others wait until 15.
Exactly. But a red flag is a specific warning sign that suggests a delay.
Okay, let's unpack this with an example from the checklists.
And look at that. It responds using only the materials you uploaded. No random AI guesses, just grounded answers from your own sources. That's a very strong moment. And if you're a visual learner, this feature is insane. NotebookLM can generate custom decks or presenter slides from your own sources. With one click, it can generate presentation slides based entirely on your materials, not generic templates, actual structured presentation content. And because it already understands your sources, the slides stay aligned with your topic. Now let's zoom out. This is where everything starts to click. Instead of manually organizing concepts, NotebookLM builds a visual map of how they connect. Look at this. The mind map automatically shows the relationships between ideas, so you can see the bigger picture instantly. This is the kind of thing students normally spend hours building manually. And here's another thing that surprised me. NotebookLM can even turn your sources into a video overview. So instead of just reading or listening, you can actually watch a visual explanation of your topic.
Welcome to This Explainer. So, are the new CDC milestone guidelines actually helping or hurting our kids?
15 months. Look for things like pointing for help.
And hey, don't sweat perfect pronunciation. But here's the absolute biggest red flag, and call your state's early intervention program right away.
See how quickly that turns complexity into clarity? That's the kind of feature that turns passive learning into real understanding. And it doesn't stop there. NotebookLM keeps turning your sources into useful outputs, depending on how you learn best. Need something more structured? Use Create Report. It can turn your sources into study guides, blog posts, briefing documents, or even fully customized reports. Need to memorize faster? Generate flashcards instantly with explanations built in, so you're not just recalling answers, you're understanding them. Want to test yourself? It creates quizzes from your own materials with hints, answer explanations, and feedback even when you get it wrong. Need a quick visual summary? It can turn complex topics into clean infographics, so key ideas become easier to scan and remember. And for researchers or professionals, this is incredibly useful. NotebookLM can organize information into structured tables with sources at the bottom, and you can export them directly into sheets. And this is where passive learning becomes active learning. Most people think learning is about consuming more. It's not. It's about understanding better. NotebookLM doesn't just organize your files, it helps you think through them. If this saved you an hour today, hit subscribe for more study hacks. See you in the next one.